Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will fine. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is characteristics of a good fuel or an ideal fuel. The fuel which we choose for our domestic or industrial use, it should have high calorific value. امیک مطلب گوٚو یُس fuel أسۍ choose کَرو for our domestic purpose, domestic گَرٕ यूज़ खतर या इंडस्ट्रियल यूज़ खतर या इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ करने खतर अत हसा गैस आसन हाई कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू अमुक मतलब गो कि यह फ्यूल चूज करुन यह हसा गैस दिन मोर एनर्जी मोर हीट per unit mass. This means that the fuel chosen should be such that it gives more heat per unit mass and it should burn. यह हसा गैस burn गसन without giving any smoke or harmful gases. While choosing the most appropriate fuel for our domestic use or for use in industry, we should keep in mind the following characteristics of an ideal fuel. While choosing it is choose us for a most appropriate fuel for domestic purpose or for use in industry. चीज गस मद्देनजर थावन कुम यम characteristics गस मद्देनजर थावन of an ideal fuel. Characteristic number 1 is ideal fuel अथ हसा गस high calorific value. It should have high calorific value. We must choose the fuel having high calorific as fuel choose करन यथ high calorific value as. That means यह हसा गस ideal fuel छस वना तथ fuels which gives more heat per unit time. Ideal fuel is the fuel which gives more heat per unit mass. That's is ideal fuel. Second, characteristic question, it should burn without giving any smoke or harmful gas. You see ideal fuel you guys you ki yah se guys zyad ye guys ne smoke din ki harmful gas emit karun while burning. That means ideal fuel has a fuel which does not pollute air on burning by giving out smoke or poisonous gas. Ideal fuel is one that pollute kar air it is zalun by emitting harmful gases or by emitting smoke. Third characteristic here, it should have a proper ignition temperature. Proper ignition temperature. That means so that it can be burned easily. So you see fuel choose for domestic purpose or for an industrial use. Proper ignition temperature. That means it gets burn easily. Temperature the ignition temperature of an ideal fuel should neither be too low in nor high. If the temperature of the fuel is very high, agar temperature was very high, then the fuel will catch fire easily. Fire catch. That means it will be very unsafe to use. Unsafe use karna khatra. Beak ignition temperature गसने ज़्यादा कम ते आसन कि क्या यह से वरिया मुश्किल ये ज़ालन ये चीज़ ठीक. Fourth क्या गस आसन, it should be cheap and easily available. यह से गस cheap आसन सस्त गस आसन easily available ठीक. Beak it should be easy to handle. यह से you see ideal fuel गस easy to handle पेन करना be safe to safely transport from one place to another place, be convenient to store. Store quality characteristics of an ideal fuel is that you see ideal fuel it should be cheap and easily available. Ideal fuel is one that use can expensive as use available as very in plenty everywhere. Beak, it should not leave much ash behind after burning. You guys know pathun ash soor guys travel pathun ki you zal. It should burn smoothly. Beak characteristic yasa guys burn gasan smoothly. Burn gasan smoothly. Ushumana ideal fuel has guys moderate rate of combustion asan. Has guys smoothly gasan and burn add guys aram san doesn't. You guys need fuel guys ne maan kya ne zyada tez doesn't ne zyada kam doesn't. These are the these are the characteristics of an ideal fuel. I will repeat the characteristics of an ideal fuel. While choosing the most appropriate fuel for domestic or industrial use, we should keep in mind the following characteristics of an ideal fuel. First, it should have high calorific value. Second, it should burn without giving any smoke or harmful gases. It should have a proper ignition temperature. It should be cheap and easily available gas. It should be easy to handle, safe to transport, convenient to store. It should not leave much ash behind burning. It should burn smoothly. Ideal fuel is the fuel which gives more heat per unit mass. Per unit